Yo, my name's Aaron and today we're learning Anthem Part 2 by Blink-182. Check it out. Before we go on, I just want to say thank you to anyone who subscribed to my channel to this date. I'm over 300 subscribers now, and 300 really feels like a lot when you start at 0. So thank you to anyone who has subscribed. This song does use a pick. It's fast, it's raucous, it's cool, and you're going to enjoy learning it. So here we go, Anthem Part 2, let's do it. We are going to, of course, kick things off with the intro. I've separated the whole intro into a few different ideas. So this is intro motif number 1, coming in at 0 seconds. Just pay very careful attention to the exact fingers being used and to the exact pick directions being used, because that's going to help you kind of nail this track. So at 65 BPM, intro motif number 1 is as follows. And that idea repeats throughout the intro, except after the third one of those, there aren't any more, you just keep going with, etc, etc. Once we've done that, we have another layer of guitar, which is intro motif number 2, and this motif is used at 17 seconds, and it's used at 3 minutes 21 seconds as well. And it goes as follows. So everything I've just played there goes around 3 times, and then we get to the very last time and there's a variation on the end with some power chords. So this part starts at 32 seconds. Then at 36 seconds, and also at 1 minute 48 in the song, we have these intro octave chords. Pay special attention to the accents. The accents are those little triangles above the bar. So at 65 BPM, those octave chords go as follows. And you just end the whole thing and start the verse with that power chord, which isn't actually notated, but there you go. At the very start of the verse, apart from that power chord, there's no other guitar once that power chord drains out until we get halfway through the verse at 55 seconds. It's also in the next verse at 1 minute 17 seconds and the other verse at 2 minutes 7 seconds. So the part is almost all palm muted apart from the first chord, and it goes like this. Then we've also got that really cool bass fill. Okay, and even though it's played on the bass, I've notated it with guitar because it does sound really, really cool. It comes in at 1 minute 4, 1 minute 26 and 2 minutes 17, and played slowly it goes as follows. Then in the chorus there are multiple layers of guitar. So what I've actually done is written a part that will just sound big, and it's pretty much what's in the track, so it's going to work with just one guitar, which I would imagine that if you're watching this video there's probably only one of you. So this is our chorus, and it comes in at 1 minute 32, 2 minutes 21 and 3 minutes 6 seconds, and played slowly goes as follows. And that there is all of the parts of the song. If you enjoyed learning that, make sure you smash the like button and be sure to check out one of these.